Our assemblies here are just a chance for us to celebrate and brag on our students. We have character traits that they get to work towards each month. We just finished being teachable and empathetic, so informing students of character traits we want them to see, exhibit, show their classmates, show their teachers, and that way we have a chance to come together and celebrate them and brag on them for a little bit.
Teachable is the ability to be taught, right? Or if somebody is trying to instruct you in something, for you to be able to receive that.
So one of the things that we love to do here at the middle school with our assemblies is to recognize our students with our Portrait of a Graduate words and being able to celebrate their accomplishments each and every month for those kiddos who stand out and go above and beyond what we would expect of our normal student.
One of the things I love the most about assemblies is it gives us a chance to unify our whole middle school together. Oftentimes you're working in small teams and pods and groups of students, but this is the one chance you get to come together for a noble reason of students embodying great character. And then you get to see different teams cheer on their students that were extraordinary in the character they exhibited that month. And it's just it's a culture of celebration and also unity.
What I value about having assemblies is an opportunity for students to get together with teachers, our whole school learning community coming together to really just celebrate all the things we've done that past month and all the things that we're looking forward to. It's great to see teachers and students connecting and getting to see everyone cheer each other on and just say, what's my goal for this month? What am I looking towards now? And then when we're incorporating other high school students and other older education, it's giving students an opportunity to see where do they want to shoot for. And so those are some things that I love about our assemblies, just getting together, celebrating each other, and then learning to set goals for where's our future headed and how do we want to get there. So this is our way to top everything off and also kind of practice some of those team building activities and some of those very traits that we're wanting students to seek for. Being empathetic to your teammates, being teachable, being okay with making mistakes and learning from them. All the things that we're wanting a graduate to be, that's where we kind of incorporate those games to kind of give a little taste of what that should look like and have fun while doing it.